Frequently asked questions and answers on your expatriate insurance policy. Since our founding in 1997 here in Gilbert, Arizona, Good Neighbor Insurance has had the privilege of serving thousands of expatriates residing outside their home country with a variety of expatriate medical insurance options. Ask Doug About Expat Medical Insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your expatriate insurance best for you and your family. This video will provide answers to some of our most frequently asked questions on your international expat health insurance policy. I am a U.S. citizen and I plan on being outside of the U.S. for more than 2 years without returning. Should I apply for my expat insurance coverage to exclude the U.S.? Although the choice is entirely up to you, we recommend including the U.S. when you are a U.S. citizen. In a worst-case scenario, if you are diagnosed with a serious medical illness, having U.S. medical coverage on your expat medical insurance will allow you to return home for medical treatment. Are Expat Medical Insurance Plans Affordable Care Act ACA compliant? No. International medical insurance policies are not required to meet ACA requirements. Therefore, each applicant will go through a thorough underwriting process. Acceptance on an international expatriate insurance plans is not automatic. Exclusions for medical pre-existing conditions may be added to an international medical insurance plan in order to issue new expat insurance coverage. Do all expat insurance plans cover maternity benefits? No, not all international medical insurance plans will cover maternity benefits. Most of the more comprehensive international insurance plans will either include maternity coverage or will offer to add maternity coverage at the time of your annual renewal. All expat medical insurance plans that do offer maternity benefits will have a waiting period of 10 to 12 months. Does my expat insurance policy cover emergency medical evacuation? Yes, all expat medical insurance options that we offer through Good Neighbor have coverage for emergency medical evacuation. Please check the summary of benefits on your international health insurance policy to know how much is covered on your emergency medical evacuation benefit. I like to scuba dive. Does my expatriate medical insurance policy cover adventure sports like scuba diving? Most international medical insurance plans exclude for scuba diving or adventure sports. We at Good Neighbor provide specific adventure sports insurance that will offer adventure sports coverage for additional premium. Please inform us at Good Neighbor that you would like coverage for adventure sports, and we will make sure that you have this benefit. My date to depart my home country is not for another 6 months. How soon should I apply for my expat medical insurance coverage? Most expat insurance plans will only accept a new applicant 30 days prior to your requested start date for your international medical insurance policy. Also, expat insurance plans usually will have a restriction on how much time is allowed in your home country prior to your departure. I receive different international health insurance quotes. Why are some companies' quotes so much higher than others? There are budget-friendly expat insurance options, and then there are expat insurance options with more comprehensive medical benefits. The budget-friendly expat insurance options will be more for new medical injuries and new medical illnesses. Whereas the comprehensive friendly expat insurance options will have extra medical benefits such as annual wellness checkups, maternity coverage, and longer time allowed for U.S. coverage, for example. Change is always in the air, so please check our webpage for the most up-to-date information at gninsurance.com/health when it comes to your expatriate medical insurance. Have questions? We are just a phone call, email, or online chat away here in Gilbert, Arizona. We wish you and your family amazing, safe, and spectacular expat journey.